Thanks for coming by. We are going to show you how to make zucchini chips, whether you are on a low carb diet or you've got a ton of zucchini and you really need to figure out a way to get rid of them. So what we're doing here, we're going to go ahead and slice them on the thinnest option. And my mom is using right here the Pampered Chef mandolin on level 1, which, like I said, it's just the thinnest option. And as you can see here, they've got other options. One is what we're doing now. 2 and 3, they're just bigger. It just lowers that down so you get a bigger slice. Honestly, if you were trying to get the crispiness of chips, I would just do the lowest one, just because the thicker it is, the longer it's going to take to dehydrate, and it's usually a little bit more chewy, not as crisp. And especially when you're going fast, you want to be sure not to get down too low, because then you can chance on cutting your fingers. Most mandolins come with one of these tools, so that way you can stab the zucchini and use that, so you're not worrying about cutting off your fingertips, because that's never fun. And you know this isn't a Jeffrey Dahmer special, so no fingertips in our zucchini chips. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and stack them in a single layer on our paper towels. This just gets a little bit more moisture out, and you want to make sure they're close but not overlapping, because that kind of defeats the purpose of having them dry out a little bit more. And over here we've already got a batch going in the dehydrator, so that's going to be going quite a while. Once you get all of your zucchini, filled up in a single layer, go ahead and put another thing of paper towels over it. That just allows it to, sit there, and you can also stack on top of it. But just in case, if this is all you're doing, that's still fine. I would still do a layer of paper towels, just so that way there's no flies or, anything like that landing on top of it. Once you have your paper towels laid down, go ahead and start stacking the next row of zucchini. You want to make sure that you have paper towels in between them, because if not, they can stick together and just makes a headache in the long run. Also, another tip, if you like the bigger potato chips, you can actually cut this at an angle, and then it makes those bigger slices. Also, on our dehydrator, we have it set at 135 degrees Fahrenheit, which is recommended for this particular brand of dehydrator. And you can see here it says fruits and veggies, 135 or 58 degrees Celsius if you're into that kind of thing. But, we're Americans, so we're not. These are the chips that only have the smoked paprika on them. We just sprinkled a little bit and put them in the dehydrator. There they are. As always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who might enjoy this video.